Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Varo Bank for no-fee banking, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. To connect with Varo Bank for no-fee banking, begin by downloading the Varo app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it to start the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your mobile phone number. After providing your number, check your SMS for a verification code. Enter the verification code into the app to verify your phone number. Next, you will create a secure password for your account. Follow the prompts to fill in your personal details, including your name, address, and date of birth. You may also need to provide your social security number for identity verification. Once your details are entered, review the terms and conditions and agree to them. After agreeing, you may be asked to set up biometric login options like fingerprint or facial recognition. With your account set up, you can now link your external bank accounts for easy transfers. To link an external account, navigate to the Settings section of the app. Select Linked Accounts and choose Add Account. You will then be asked to enter the routing number and account number of your external bank. Once entered, Varo Bank will initiate a micro-deposit verification process. Check your external account for these small deposits to complete the linking process. After verifying the micro-deposits, your external account will be successfully linked. Now that your account is set up and linked, you can enjoy no-fee banking services. Explore the app's features, such as setting up direct deposits or utilizing financial tools. For any assistance, navigate to the Help section for FAQs or customer support options. You are now fully connected with Varo Bank and ready to experience no-fee banking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.